So data input stream is joined with, now you tell me, new, new file, separate objects we will manufacture, separate objects. Then we will attach those two. How to attach we will see. New file input stream. As a whole, that is the diagram. Just now I showed you, that is the diagram. So let us not close this. This is the diagram as a whole. So we started from here. This job is done. It is attached with file input stream. And then that is in turn attached with this part. Up to here, task done. Work done up to here. I can highlight this. See. File attached with file input stream attached with data input stream. First part, first object is done. Three small objects tied up together. We form one object. Similarly, we do with this also. These three objects put together, we form a big object. So two objects in hand, so that then we can play with them, transferring data from one place to another. File input stream. Within bracket, what is that file, so-called old file which we are having? File1 dot txt. One more bracket. Yeah. Right. Now, in a similar way, we can do for the other thing also. Let me copy and paste what is that. Change little things. Data output stream. Is it not? Data input output stream. DOS. This is DOS. Data output stream. And then file output stream. Right? File stream. And we have to change the name of the file. Yes. That's it. Sorry. Dot.txt. Done. Two objects in hand. DIS, DOS. So what I mean is these three objects represented as DIS object. Second object, DOS object. Okay. So two objects in hand. Then we will pass by strings. We can deal with string. Just now I showed you. I can take a string reference. Let me say string C for count, or I will take count, string count, and then let us draw a while loop, which will be simple. Count is equal to count is equal to from where we have to read DIS dot read line. That is the point now input coming from Nagarjuna Sagar, right? That is the existing one, file1 dot read line, same story. Not equal. Oh, none I have none also I can use. Cat for cat. Okay, I will try later on. Not yes, you can write. If not null means not reaching the end of file because file one is having some data, that is what is that? File one is having some data, just now I have given. This is all not null. This is all not null. But right after dot at the endpoint full stop, right after that, it is all null. White space is null. So till I reach that white space, what should happen? Till I reach that white space, what should happen? You should read. Read what? Read line. Line means what? String. Entire string you will read. Full capacity. If it is couple of lines, then line by line you will read. Okay. DIS dot C. Reading for reading purpose. Because already existing file is attached with input stream. Data input stream turned around and represented as DIS. That you are reading. From that file you are reading. The object from where you are reading is DIS. And DIS object, if you open, what is there? File1.txt. From that file you are reading. Till you don't encounter null value. End of the file. Till nothing. Null means nothing. So till you encounter nothing, same code you write in C++ also. You put a bracket here, write Not equal to -1, you can write. Not equal to end of file, we write there. Capital E, capital U, capital F. I think US is not working. So we read here and we put into count. Count is a string, you know. So in and then whatever you read, you are putting in count. Okay, fine. Then and I want to convert that into lowercase or uppercase. Yes, that also you can do optional, but I want to use that effectively. Strings are having n number of functions. Is it not? You can convert them into UC uppercase. Because I typed in lowercase, majority portion of the string is in lowercase, I think. Is it not? Majority text is in lowercase. We will convert that into uppercase. UC is equal to count dot. What is the method? Is uppercase or two uppercase? Is uppercase
To
returns Boolean
uppercase.
value. Boolean value. Just a couple of days before in wrapper classes we used it. But two uppercase will convert actually to uppercase. That's it. That also we have done. And then let me display on the console all this stuff. System.out print. Uh, if it creates any problem, I will change. And then I want to write all these bytes of information. And actually, this is a byte stream class. Byte stream classes. These are all. So there is a method called as write bytes. Write will not work. In previous program we worked with write, but here write bytes will work because it's a byte stream class. What do you want to write? DOS. On DOS object you want to write. Is it not? This is DOS. దానికి రాయాల్సింది file 2 కి రాయాలి. So how is file 2 represented? File 2 representation is through DOS. So DOS dot write bytes. Write will not work. Let me check afterwards whether write works or not. This it won't work. What is that? UC and at the end I can put some symbol also like dollar hash whatever you want asterisk. I want to put a dollar symbol at the end like this. I want to place it within double quotes. I want to put a string dollar at the end and then put a semicolon and close it and then close both the objects. What are both those objects? Dis dot close. In C++ also close I think. But in C language it is F close. Files we have to differentiate. Generally they won't ask C++ files, but you should know dis dot close is the method, and the other one is dys dot close both objects. So done. File also. Till now, file 2 is not there. We are going to create that. Oh, so it's not you, it is UC uppercase. Is it not? So, see, deprecated version, but still it will work because some of the methods which I'm using write bytes, maybe write bytes is a deprecated version, but still Java is backward compatible. Past methods will work, no problem. Okay, still they can work. So let me run this. I'm doing BTech, I'm in Hyderabad. It worked fine. But what about file? New file is created or not? Yeah, it is there. Same to same. But additionally, you can see dollar. Got it? Understood? Have a quick
Yes, sir.
look at the program. Any doubts, please ask me. So that is important. That's why I'm comparing with the diagram. In the notes, I cannot draw this diagram. Okay. If I write again, lot of explanation is required. That's why in class only it is possible to explain. In notes, you can understand the program, but wherever comments are required, I will put it required. Okay. So this is about that. So couple of objects, but we are dealing with byte string classes. That's why write byte and write, will it work? I don't think it is going to work. Let me check whether it works or not. Write will not work. Unsuitable, not suitable method found for write. No, it's not write byte capital. Byte string class you are dealing with. DOS. DOS is a byte string class. It won't work. Got it? It's not character string. We are dealing with byte strings. We can use for characters also, but majority cases byte string classes are meant for images, audios, videos, etc. Even yeah, audios, videos, and images, right? So with this, we completed files concept, and then I will move to threads today or tomorrow. Choice is yours. I guess tomorrow is better to start with the threads. Hmm? Single thread is
Yes, sir.
yeah, yeah. Tomorrow I will start. Tomorrow I will start. Okay, right. Thank you.